Today with 3801 we did the first dynamic test. The engine moved under its own power for the first time in well over a decade, and it really brings the project to culmination. It's working, it's moving, and it's doing it because we were able to get it to that point.
Today we started our preliminary dynamic testing for the locomotive, and I'm pleased to report that all went well, and we're looking forward to the next stage of the testing.
Was a moment in history. I would say in my career of 42 years, this is the best moment of my life, where we saw 3801 back in steam.
The moment means an enormous amount because, as most of them have admitted, it's very emotional to have finally seen this object move when you've done so much work on it and it hasn't. It has now become alive, and it can do great work and hopefully bring joy to many, many people.
Well, I think it means a lot to the people behind me who've worked so hard to get this locomotive back on the road. But this is the iconic engine. 3801, as you can hear it there, is to Australia what us Brits call the Flying Scotsman. So it's a great occasion. This is a moment in history, and I'm delighted to be here with the team who actually put in the hard work and made this day possible.
When this loco is back in service, the particularly exciting time will be showing it to my children, my two sons, one of whom remembers it from his childhood, and also showing it to my grandchildren who've never seen anything like this before. So that will be quite an experience, being able to explain to them.
So the next step is more testing. Initially it'll be testing in the yard, but then we'll go on to testing out on the network, and that will be really exciting.
3801 is so special to all of us in the railway industry because it is that iconic streamliner locomotive representing the golden age of rail. And this locomotive is back in life, and I can hear its heart beating behind me.